Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Merritt Island local and long-distance movers near me. We're a local moving company specializing in residential and commercial moves in the North Merritt Island area. Our team of professionals is highly skilled and experienced in handling all types of moves, from small apartments to large office buildings. We understand moving can be a stressful experience. That's why we aim to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible for our clients. We will work with you every step of the way, from planning and packing to unpacking and setting up your new home or office. At 3 Movers, we pride ourselves on providing quality service at affordable prices. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees. When it comes to moving, there are few things more daunting than a long-distance move. Luckily, 3 Movers has you covered. Our North Merritt Island long-distance movers are experts at making your move as smooth as possible. Our team will ensure your belongings are transported safely and efficiently. We partner with outlying teams nationwide to simplify the complex logistics of long-distance moves to the barest minimum. Our team of highly trained professionals will take care of everything from packing to loading and unloading. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Merritt Island moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.